Hey, good morning everyone. I know, I can't sleep apparently, and yeah, I still owe a couple of you guys review on the Note 9 experience, but so far, it's good actually. I know that we will have the so-called S10 in the in the coming months, but I have something to share right now, a simple unboxing of something that is outside of my normal likes. So you can see there a blue box right there on top of my Jumpman 117210s, and let's go. You can see here that it's a Technomarine watch, and let's see how it goes. Oh, there's a warranty card right there. There we go, you can see that. Whoops! I always slip when I present these stuff, right? Even the first one. And now, the big reveal. What is this baby gonna look like? One moment. Drum roll, please. Oops. Goodness gracious. You see that? A good man deserves a good watch, they say. So, kind of picked this up with a good friend, and you'll see there that it has that kind of carbon fiber appeal, and this is like carbon plated in terms of the watch itself. And let's move this one. So you see the diamond bezel. No, not really diamond bezel, I'm just blabbering stuff. So this is nice, so nice. I can see that. Oops, there's a tag. It's tag price right there. It's around 650 US, and this is cool. Pretty cool watch, I would say. You know, I wouldn't really get something if oh, I'll just remove this later with a pair of scissors, I would say. But I won't get this if I don't have a reason. And it's not just because I love watches. I like this detail right there, the Technomarine logo. Oops, see that? But the finer details on the watch that I like is, when I buy something, it has to be relevant to not just my lifestyle, but the thing that I love most. And what is that? That thing right there. Shoes, sneakers. So this is kind of old one. This is kind of an old one. So this is my J11 7210s. Oops, see that? The 11s. Kind of miss this kind of colorway. See, go. See the comparison. I know there's just like black and white dots, but it's from a carbon fiber. I would say material in terms of the inspiration. This one, the carbon fiber shank of the shoe. So got this, paired up for this. Looks good, right? Yeah, Jumpman and Technos. And also, I would say I will have these waiting for the December release of the breads. That seems fun, right? I don't know. I'm eagerly waiting. I know it's just what February, so I even thought it's already March, so I can't really just think about, not really stop thinking about the J11 breads. So I know there are other sneakers in the background. That's my grail right there, the LeBron 10 Cork. There's a LeBron 10 Americana or USA right there. And shout out to my mom for kind of cleaning up my room. Kind of been busy for the past couple of weeks, and yeah, those are good stuff, like from those paper bags. They have shoes, but we'll talk about it soon enough. And again, a couple of my friends, some of people that get to know me first time will ask me, how many pair of shoes did you have? Do I have? I would say around 30 plus. Does that make you a sneakerhead? Could be. For me, there's always an ending debate on what a sneakerhead is, or what a true sneakerhead is. But at the end of the day, for me, it's very simple. It's gonna be the love for the shoes. And now, again, a good man deserves a good watch. Let's see how it fits. I don't know, I think it's good. It's quite good. And when I purchased this, I didn't think twice, but overall, it was just the nail in the coffin was, of course, pairing it with my J's. So that looks nasty. Yeah. Okay. So I don't know. This is just a simple vid, and kindly support the channel for future growth. And I know I'll be featuring topics, of course, about tech, lifestyle, my favorite sneakers, and of course, sports. Love basketball, and hopefully I'll get to see, I'll get to show my face again. This I'm kind of bummed right now. That's why I'm not focusing the camera to my face. It's just for my shoes and stuff. Yeah, it's not the entirety. A couple are behind me right now, so woo! Shout out Techno Jumpman. Peace. Again, let's spread positive vibes, and all of you guys have a great day. Chill.